In this video, I'm going to talk about the effect of images and illustrations and custom icons on your designs. So I have seen a lot of designers, beginner designers, and even mediocre designers that have designing from past 2 years, that they don't know the effect of great photographs or images or icons or illustrations on your design. So if you are you don't know illustrations, or you are not a photographer, you need to hire someone or team up with someone or ask your client that please provide me with some great images. So I'm going to show you what is the effect of the images on your design or illustrations on your design. So I'm going to start with this example, and here you can see we have a very great photos that have been professionally photographed and retouched. You can see over here these have been arranged, and a lot of this background color, everything looks perfect. So when you have some image like that, you can design on top of it. Like you can see over here we have some very old style, or very you can say burger style text over here, and this is the same. So if we have a lot of dark background, you can see it is easier to use white on top of it. Similarly, on the left side we have dull grayish background, and the white is looking great. And also, if you notice, the designer has given some shadow on these you can say this text over here. So imagine that if you have taken this photograph with just your mobile and you are not a professional photographer, if you try to create any great design, typography, you use everything perfect, your designs are not going to look that much great. So images have a lot of importance. You have to have great images with you. If you don't have, ask your client. Similarly, in this project, you can see over here Jackpot Kids and Gifts, and you can see in this whole branding, you can see they have used very pale bluish color, a very nice, very calming effect, and we have these stars that are a bit silver. And if you look at the photography over here, you can see the whole photography is in a similar theme, very professional. If you go on, you can see this is their branding, and their photography is actually matching that. The background is the same, colors, different tones have the same. You can see over here, if you look at this is their packaging, a great design, lovely design by this team. And you can see here they have this package. And if I go down, let me show you. Okay, so here they have their whole branding pumped together, and you can see the images, they have the same tones, they have the same colors that can go well with this whole design. So this is very important. You can see over here you can see the colors, they have been used in such a way. Here you can see the colors of the clothes these two are wearing, they are matching with this. Also, they have this very light pinkish color over here that has been used in their photographs, like you can see over here. And if I go down, let me show you this one. So this is, you can see the whole atmosphere or whole look or theme the designer wants. So if you are looking for a professional look and feel of your projects, you need to hire a photographer or ask your client that I need these kind of images or these kind of illustrations or something like that. So this is a great example. Let me show you a few more examples. Similarly, if we look at this design, you can see the image is playing a great part. So how this image has been, edited, the colors, the tones of this person's skin, the shines that are coming on his skin, on his left shoulder, and all that. This is basically a glow from the sun. And so you can see this whole design is elevated with this image in the background. So this person's image, whoever have photoshopped it or whoever has taken it, this is actually how it is going to affect your design. So let me show you a few more examples. Okay, so here we have another image I'm showing you. You can see this is another brand, Pure Strength, and here you can see this image, the colors, the lights, the shadows on this bodybuilder or this person. This is looking great. This shows actually strength. This model is looking great with all this lighting and all this stuff. If someone uses this kind of image in a design with just typography and few colors, it is going to look great. So let's come to the illustrations. So if we look at illustrations, and let me show you how actually they are going to affect. So here we have very simple illustrations for this Aquatori brand, and you can see these illustrations are actually making up the whole theme and making these packing look great. So if you remove these from this whole background, they will not look that attractive or great. You can see here we have another very nice octopus. Here we have seahorses. So this whole effect is going to come from the illustrations. Similarly, if we look at illustrated icons, I have seen a lot of websites using them. So if your theme is you can say very welcoming or inviting, you are going to have something like these. So these are few illustrated icons from carpooler.com. Save gasoline, make new friends, reduce traffic, reduce pollution, save money. So these are good for explaining. Also, they are going to build and shine up your design a lot. Similarly, if we look at here, this is a MasterCard. These are all designs from Behance designers, and you can see this illustration is making this card look great. So there is nothing different with this MasterCard and other MasterCards, and the only difference is this illustration. Similarly, this illustration, you can say US Visa Guide Norway. They have very simple shapes usage, very different colors, very dark. You can say over here dark bluish purples with this green cyans and some of the reddish pink color. So they have very similar style in whole their design, and this is going to affect here. There is another one. You can see here we have another one. This is the same style. Okay, so let me show you a few more examples. Here is another example of illustrations, and you can see if this illustration is put on your website, it is going to look great and it will attract your users and explain your message in a great detail. So in the end, my suggestion is that whenever you are designing a project and you have good budget for it, never try to use the icons or the illustrations that are generic. Try to use something, try to hire some illustrator or some icon designer to get or create some awesome looking icons. And I'm going to show you my collection. I have purchased a lot of premium icons from Creative Market. So I'm going to show you now. So here is my collection of icons. You can see I have purchased a lot of icons recently in 2019. These are bold line icons. And let me show you. This is actually how they look like. So they are illustrated icons. Then I have material design icons that have been like 6,000 icons, different icons that have been in a similar style. And also I have this streamline essentials. Let me show you. Also, I have this Icon 54 package, which is very popular. Similarly, in my few courses, I have used these Futuro icons, which are color icons, and I have used them in my freelancing, I guess, freelancing slides, and one more, I think, user experience design. So these are a lot of great icons, colored, illustrated icons I have used. And I think a few of my students even asked me how you have designed these slides. So this is the trick. I actually purchased these. So whenever you are designing something or building a project and you want a theme or you want to make it look professional and great, try to purchase premium icons, try to use premium illustrations, try to use premium photography. So that is all for this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Let's move on to the next lesson.